right? We've got crude oil bouncing further off a potential double bottom that was hit yesterday. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So crude oil dropped down out of this bear flag last week, and I thought we may have had a bottom here with this low right here from Thursday, but that was not the case, and you could see that on Monday, gap down and reached a new low here at 55.81, which is a higher, turns out to be a higher swing low as of today because there was an upside breakout. And it looks like crude may close in the top, at least the top half, if not the top third of today's range, showing some strength. But it's heading right back up into resistance at the 20 moving average, purple line here. Seen here as resistance, seen here as resistance. The expectation would be the third time would also be resistance, at least initially, and that's currently at 61.28 potential resistance. We can also watch the 50% retracement for some guide around 60.99, and then a little higher is the 61.8% retracement at 62. The last swing high is up here at 64.06, and that's also last week's high. So that means last week's range and today's range and this week's range goes this whole zone right here. So there could be quite a bit of bouncing around within that zone for some period of time before a real bottom is established, if that is what is being established, and that we do not know yet. So we're looking for resistance on the way up, however, and a daily close above the 20 would be the first sign that things are starting to turn more bullish in the near term anyway. And you can see if we back up a little bit how the trend was going down at one angle, then accelerated at this other angle, and then accelerated this other angle. That typically will have some type of move back in the opposite direction. In this case, it would be up. And so if this is a second bottom here, I think that we could go up or attempt to go up for some period of time if that low holds, of course. All right, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great week.